There's Hiram. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Hi, Hiram. Oh, he's trying to wake up. Hey, buddy. He is... Let's see, just over 24 hours, maybe 36 hours old almost. It's October 11th, 10:35 at night. Hey buddy, can you wake up? Oh, he doesn't want to wake up. He just had a bath. Get to meet his sisters today. Get him unwrapped. Oh, it's gonna be cold. Here he is. Little Hiram. His mom's hand. It's kind of cold. Oh, I know. His little foot. He's about the size of my thumb. Oh, there they are. Hey, buddy. Oh, I think he's hungry. Oh, where are we gonna go?